Hey, Naya, let's go on. I'm about to make some glitter. Glitter. So, let's get our glitter glue, mixing tools, and what's that called? Game. So, let's get started. Up in there. So now we need to mix it with the game. Together. Oh, yeah.
Nobody get that back.
Shut up.
Oh, yeah. Sleep nobody in your
So, which one should we choose out of this? Because we're about to do the satisfying ride.
One, two,
So,
three.
I think we should go with this one first. Or this one. Let's see.
One. O's you got.
Okay.
One,
This one.
two.
Let's go.
Two O's.
Wow.
You got no U's. So you got a 5, you got a 4, you got a 4.
It's really hard to
you
pick.
got a 5, you got a 3.
Yeah.
So they good match. You
I
got two
told you.
5s, you got two 4s. So that made a good match for them. Just Green and Greer and Bobby Brown is a good match.
See, I told you. My mama and daddy was always a good match.
That's a good match.
Me and Jacob Greer was always, Jacob, what's his name? Oh, yeah.
Garcia.
Yeah. Next one. Here we go. And we drive it. And we live it. Ah. Oh, give me one.
You fat.
Okay, here go my second try. That's not even how you spell my. I like this. I'm just gonna eat it. Did you really think I was gonna eat this lime? Well, you was right.
Alright, now you think about to go there.
So sticky. Bye, Naya. Let's slime.